Today, November 3rd, the Church honors Saint Martin de Porres, a humble lay brother of the Dominican order known for his deep compassion, healing, and humility. Born in Lima, Peru in 1579, Martin was the son of a Spanish nobleman and a freed African woman. Because of his mixed race, he often faced discrimination even within religious life. Yet, he responded not with anger, but with love and service. As a barber, nurse, and healer, Saint Martin tended to the sick, cared for the poor, and even performed miracles of healing and multiplication of food. His life was marked by extraordinary charity and a profound devotion to the Holy Eucharist. Saint Martin reminds us that holiness isn't about status, it's about love in action. His kindness transcended barriers of race and class, showing that true greatness is found in serving others with joy. Saint Martin de Porres, pray for us.